How to use parental control in Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use parental control in Discord. So here, what you want to do is open the Discord app onto your device. And once you open up your Discord application, Discord offers a feature called Family Center, right? So, which allows parent and guardian to stay informed about the teen's activity on the platform while respecting their privacy as well. So, what you have to do is to enable this, you have to link account. So, both you and the teen must have a Discord account and use the official mobile app to complete the connection process. So basically, what you have to do is let's assume that this particular device is your teen's device, right? So, me being the guardian, this is the teen's device. So, what you want to do is just navigate to their user setting. That means at the bottom right corner of the screen from the home page. And next, you want to click on the gear icon at the top right hand side corner of the screen. Alright, then what you want to do is here, you just want to go ahead and look for Family Center options, which is under account settings over here in the fifth option. There it is. Now you want to click on connect with teen, but since this is the actual teen's device, so what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and click on my family and then connect with teen. All right, now then you just want to go ahead and scan the QR code of the particular device or the particular teen's account. And after you've done that, you just want to follow the on-screen prompt, and it's going to ask you to set some sort of password and all that stuff. You go ahead and do it, so and that's how you'll be able to use parental control in Discord. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.